thought of wielding a pen that can weld? Well, say hello to Penweld By Leister. This isn't your run-of-the-mill pen. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the Penweld weighs in at just under a pound. It's compact, easy to handle, and convenient to carry. But don't let its size fool you. Instead of ink, it dispenses precision welds and is capable of working with a range of materials, including copper and steel. Just imagine the possibilities. You could be sitting at your desk, working on a small version, and need to join two tiny parts. Its precision welding capabilities make it as easy as writing your name. No more lugging around bulky welding equipment for small tasks. With its robust power and feather-light weight, the Penweld is a revolution in your toolbox. This is the future, compact and efficient. So if you aspire to weld like a pro, the Penweld is your new best friend. Speaking of friends, meet Nemo. No, not the fish, but the hull cleaner. This isn't your typical cleaning gadget. Weighing in at a manageable 5 kilograms, Nemo Hull Cleaner is a robust piece of technology designed to tackle underwater cleaning challenges with ease. It's powered by a durable, rechargeable lithium-ion battery, enabling it to work continuously for hours. Nemo Hull Cleaner is not only capable of cleaning algae and barnacles, but it's also efficient in removing rust and hardened dirt on various materials such as steel, plastic, and fiberglass. Its powerful capabilities are complemented by a design that's built to resist pressure and withstand depth, making it the ultimate tool for those tricky underwater tasks. Think of it as your trusty sidekick, ready to dive into action whenever you need it. Let's talk about a cool tool for handling cables, the KOMBOI 1400 by KABELMAT. Imagine a robust and efficient device with a weight of a solid 100 pounds, a real powerhouse of unwinding potential. It's driven by a 3-phase AC motor, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. The KOMBOI 1400 is more than just power, it's about practicality. With the capability to handle cables up to approximately 1.5 inches in diameter, it makes cables a breeze. It's like mastering the craft of cable management with a tool that operates as smoothly as a well-oiled machine. Now let's dive into the world of our tool collection and magnetize it with the Wolfcraft magnet bit holder. Designed with a powerful magnet, it weighs a mere 0.5 ounces, making a lightweight addition to your toolkit. The robust magnet ensures your bits stay perfectly in place, no matter the nature of the job. It operates on a simple principle of magnetism, requiring no power source, giving it an edge of effortless functionality. It is compatible with a wide variety of bits, be it Phillips, Torx, or flathead, thus making it versatile. Imagine the comfort of not having to dig around your toolbox for a missing bit. This bit holder's holding capacity is remarkable, enabling it to hold up to 6 bits at once. It's a must-have for any enthusiast. It couldn't be more user-friendly. Just insert your bit and the magnet takes it from there, doing all the work. Moving on to our next innovative gadget, we introduce the Wagner Smart Edge Roller. But this isn't just your run-of-the-mill roller, folks. We're talking about a smart roller, meticulously engineered with precision and simplicity at its core. Weighing in at only 1.5 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle. This fantastic tool is manually powered, meaning you're in control and don't have to worry about batteries or cords. Its intelligent design allows for a flawless and precise application of paint along edges, making it an absolute dream tool for those intricate painting jobs. It can apply both oil-based and water-based paints, which means no matter the nature of the project, the Wagner Smart Edge Roller has got you covered. Now let's traverse into the destiny with Makita LXT Wheelbarrow, the future of construction. With a sturdy weight of 27.5 pounds, it's lightweight yet robust enough to tackle any task you throw its way. It operates on an 18-volt LXT lithium-ion battery, ensuring consistent power without the hassle of cords or the need for a nearby power source. When it comes load capacity, it's a true champion, capable of handling various materials, from gravel and sand to bricks and cement. But the Makita LXT Wheelbarrow isn't just about brute strength. It's also a beacon of smart automation. With its automated function, you can bid adieu to manual labor and welcome efficiency. Its endurance is commendable, ensuring that it's always ready to roll when you are thanks to its quick charging battery and durable construction. Saving the day, we have the ManSaver 98E Post Driver. This formidable piece of machinery is the epitome of power and efficiency, boasting a high impact that effortlessly drives posts into the ground. Weighing in at a robust but manageable 35 pounds, it offers the perfect balance of heft and maneuverability. It's not just about force. The ManSaver 98E is designed for easy handling, with an air-powered source that delivers 1,727 blows per minute, ensuring that you can get the job done without breaking a sweat. It's versatile too, capable of driving in wooden, metal, and even plastic posts up to 3.5 inches in diameter. No more straining or struggling. With this post driver, you save both time and energy. It's a true workhorse, improving your productivity while reducing physical exertion. Diving deeper into our tool roster, we introduce the Digit PPR Pipe welding machine by Innovia, weighing in at a manageable 22 pounds. Powered by a sturdy 220-volt supply, it's not only potent but also impressively reliable. The Digit PPR boasts an intuitive digital interface that simplifies the welding process, eliminating the guesswork and delivering pinpoint accuracy every single time. Able to handle PPR, PEX, and PB pipes, this machine is versatile and well-equipped for any task. The design prioritizes user-friendliness, making operation as smooth as a summer breeze. Introducing our next marvel, the Timber Drive by Simpson Strong. The Timber Drive tips the scale at a manageable weight, making it easy to operate without sacrificing efficacy. Don't mistake its lightweight nature for fragility. Its high-strength design is engineered for precision and durability. It's not just about being strong, it's about being reliable. This tool is powered by an electric power source, making it a convenient choice for both indoor and outdoor projects. With Timber Drive, you can expect smooth and easy installation without compromising on robustness. But what kind of timber can it handle? The answer is almost any kind. From soft pine to hard oak, the Timber Drive can drive them all with ease. The timber is built to weather any storm, ensuring longevity in every project it graces. It's not just a tool for professional builders. DIY enthusiasts will find it a handy companion too. Let's delve into our next tool review with the Barwalt Ultralight Knee Pads. These aren't your typical knee pads. Weighing in at just a measly 14 ounces, they're meticulously with comfort in mind, making them an essential for those long hours on the job. What sets them apart is their ultralight design, crafted from high-grade neoprene, a material known for its resilience and flexibility. You can even forget you're wearing them. But don't let their feather-like weight fool you. These knee pads are as durable as they come, built to withstand the rigors of your daily tasks. The Barwalt Ultralight Knee Pads come equipped with a hard outer shell that provides protection against sharp and hard objects, ensuring your safety on any work site. They strike that perfect balance of lightness and durability, so you can work in comfort without compromising on safety. Commanding our undivided attention, we have the ESAB Renegade Volt 200i. This compact powerhouse is a sterling example of engineering excellence. Despite its minimal size, it delivers a high power output of up to 200 amperes that is capable of handling any welding job thrown at it. Don't, however, underestimate its size. This small yet formidable dynamo is incredibly portable, making it possible for you to transport it to any job site with ease. It also exhibits an impressive versatility, masterfully handling both TIG and stick welding. Its robust design is compatible with 1 and 3 phase power from 230 volts to 480 volts, providing flexibility for a wide range of welding environments. It's an indispensable tool irrespective of whether you're a professional welder or a weekend hobbyist, always ready to rise to the occasion. Adding the final touch to our tool collection, we introduce the Boxel E-Batt battery. This formidable power source is far from being just another battery. Weighing only 2.5 pounds, it is designed for easy handling and portability. It operates on a lithium-ion power source, ensuring efficient charging and prolonged use. With its high capacity and impressive longevity, it stands out as a dependable partner for all your tools. It's designed to power a wide array of tools, from drills and saws to sanders and grinders, truly showing its versatility. The real game changer, however, lies in its high-frequency electronic converter. This state-of-the-art feature amplifies the battery's efficiency, ensuring your tools operate smoothly and for extended periods. Therefore, when it comes to empowering your tools and invigorating your projects, the Boxel E-Batt battery is the missing piece you've been searching for.